Mopar people? Welcome back to the channel. I'm just Mopar Joe. There is the great Professor Shane Polito from Slant Daily Garage. He's coming to hang out and we're gonna do some racing today and stuff. I got Drew back there helping and my Barracuda's way over yonder. Just made my first pass. It's hot out here, about 90 degrees, so we're gonna do what it does, but hope y'all follow along. Professor P is going to show us a look at the goods here. I believe this is the Edelnator, am I right?
That's the Edelnator.
On a little small block Mopar, just a baby small block. What's the cubic inch?
422.
422. So what is that? 4 1/4 stroke or something? 415?
4125 by 4040.
Okay.
Yeah. Today's the plan to hit the nitrous on it. Right now I'm trying to get my nitrous bottle under 1,000 pounds.
Oh yeah.
It's a little hot.
Dude, it's hot out here.
Yeah.
It's scalding. I'm more impressed with this science right here. So what? You start with just a plain holly body?
Yes, absolutely. And there's a lot of tricks inside the bowl, actually in the metering blocks that I did, but eventually I'm going to have this so that way it's a 4-circuit. So there'll be a 4-circuit, and I'm going to run the regular VRS type of metering blocks on it.
Yeah. Do you think you picked up a 10 so far?
With that, yes. Yeah, I went from a 634 to a 624 just by changing this.
Wow.
So it's a tenth of a second. And there's more in this car, a lot more. It's just it's the glide and the gear ratio is just not
right. It's part of the process.
Yep.
So what heads are these?
These are Indy 360-1s.
Okay. Sweet.
These are the old version of them, so they're dated, but it just is what it is. They still flow like 340 CFM-ish.
Wow. All right. You making more passes?
What's that? Oh yeah, I'll make some more passes.
Okay, cool.
I'm gonna definitely probably hit the squeeze on it.
Yeah. We're gonna have them filmed so people will be able to see it.
Yep.
And check out, where's your Slant Daily Garage sticker?
Oh, I don't have one on this car. Actually, no, I do right here.
There we go. Go to Slant Daily Garage to see more of the Cookie Monster. It's more beautiful in person, for sure. It's clean. We loaded on the trailer, fell asleep in the semi-final. But this jewel is the Mission Impossible 318. Mr. Shane is going to take it with him, and it's going to end up with our friend Mr. Andy Wood somehow. You'll have to find out soon. But there it is. We got Shane loaded up. All things are good. Nobody got hurt too badly except for my pride, I guess.
But your wheel didn't fall off.
My wheel did not fall off. The guy who beat me's wheel fell off, so. All right, Mopar people.